video and know how to run this Telegram airdrop. It's a good one. It doesn't necessarily mean you should deposit stone. No, understand? Airdrops these days, run it without putting anything, run it without depositing any fund. Okay, so if you click on the link, it will bring you to your Telegram. You'll be having the same interface with mine. So I just activated mine. Okay, I just activated it. Yes, I just activated it. So you can if you watch it, come here every 3 hours. Once in 3 hours, this man hitting something on this thing will stop working. I'll have to come and activate it to start working. Right now he's working. You see it now? Okay, so 3 hours you come here and activate it, right? Good. So after that you just play around the app or the interface, click on the next. Let's see what is there. Okay, it's like they have tax here. This one is to run tax. Can you see it? Okay, you have to run this tax, run this tax, run this tax to accumulate more of this cross play. This is the name of the airdrop, cross play. Are you getting it? Good and fine. Let's run the tax together. Number one says special gift for Blum farms. So 1,000 x 500. Let's check what the tax is all about. Click on check and see how it goes. Okay, it's like I'm seeing completed here. All right, let's go back. All right, that's very tax has gone. We have done it. So let's check out on the second one that say use 3 drill rush event ticket. Just click on this start here. Let me click on it. This is tax we are running now. I don't know. I just open it now. Okay, you can equally copy your referral link here and this invite. Are you getting what I'm doing? All right, so this jam, if you click on this, let's click and see if they request stone or star. If they request stone or star, please, I will advise not to give them, but if you wish to give them, no problem. But to me, I'm not giving them anything. Let's click on this gem and see what is there. It's not opening. Why are you not opening this gem? Why are you not opening? Let's go back. Click on this second to run your tax. Click on this check. They say reward. If you click on here now, click on here. I don't want this video to be long. Let's go to this one. Add this tag in your Telegram name. Add this tag to this crossplay. If add it to your Telegram name, you'll be giving S100 of this crossplay. Okay, so later I'll do that because of this video. I don't want it to be long. Okay, then you come to the next one here that says retweet drill rush. Retweet it. So let's touch on this start. To me, I don't need to go to Twitter direct. I think I'll be giving the stuff. You say check. Oh, these people are very wise these days. All right, let's do it again. Click on start. This is X. Click on it. That is Twitter. It says retweet. Some of us don't know how to retweet on Twitter. You learn how to retweet. Give them a follow. I just calm down. Help her to calm down. Okay, help her to calm down. Okay. All right. Just give them a follow. Then you retweet. How do you retweet? For example, say this is a big project. Okay. you retweet. I've just retweeted. There it say reply sent. Can you see it? Reply sent. All right. So let's go back to our Telegram airdrop and click on check and see if click on check. Can you see what it say? It say completed. They have given me 100 of this crossplay. Are you getting it? Good. You must follow them on that Twitter. Retweet. This one say retweet Blum hit TGE. Congrats. Retweet. Click on this start. Let's do it together. Go and click that. Click on start. You have to go to Telegram or don't do shortcut. They will know. Retweet. Another retweet. They said, for example, you can say awesome project. No say now we be Twitter based. You click on awesome how they call it, awesome project. You click on it have been delivered. You click on reply. That's how to retweet. Some of us need to learn how to retweet on Twitter. Okay, so this video, I don't know, it's already long. Let's go back to the airdrop again and claim our token. Okay, click on check. Can you see? Say completed. Can you see? They have given me 100 of this crossplay, 100 of this token. This is how I'm doing it. I don't know if someone is understanding what I'm doing. Okay, they said the next one said retweet crossplay now and get 100 now 100k. I say x 100. Let's just retweet and see how many they're going to give to us. Make sure you retweet though. Follow the instruction, please. Don't do mago. No shortcut there. Post your reply. Yes, is a I'm doing my own retweet though. A great project. Okay, is gonna moon. If you're into crypto, you should understand this term, moon. I retweet. I just retweeted. See, there's a reply sent. Good. Let's go back to follow them on Twitter. Let's go back to the airdrop and confirm what you just did. Click on this check. Follow my instruction. Click on this check. Let's see how it goes. Good. Yes, they completed. Okay, I've been giving 100 of the token again. Are you getting it? So this I'm showing you how to run the tax. So someone will not say, oh, I don't know how to run this tax. So I don't know how to run this tax. It's not hard. Okay, this one they said retweet, add to your Telegram name. I don't want the video to be long. Later I'll do it. So follow the instruction and do yours that same way. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and retweet, comment and share. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.